When's the last time you were trying really hard to figure something out? Solve a problem, come up with a new idea, or an answer to a big issue in your life. Wouldn't it have been really cool to have a solution like that? That's what How to Wow is all about. We love helping people get beyond their minds, beyond their brains, and into their amazing abilities of intuition, imagination, and enthusiasm to tap into the quantum field of all possibility and download their answer in only moments. We'll help you start constructing your own superhighway to help yourself move from frustration, stress, and mental anguish to fun, ease, and celebration. Your answers already in hand. This is way more than a rah-rah feel-good event where you come away with ideas and inspirations that last a certain amount of time. We're going to empower you with the tools that you will use to acquire solutions, ideas, and answers the rest of your life. It's the most impact you can get out of one weekend. Give us a call, we'll tell you more about it.